All right, here's the last video here. We're going to talk about P-series and a harmonic series. So P-series test and a harmonic series. So the harmonic series is a specific series, and we'll talk about that here in a second. But another integral, or not integral test, but another series test for convergence is the P-series test. So if P is a positive constant, then the series 1 over n to the P, so P is that power of n, okay, that's going to equal out to be this. So this is called a P-series. So in the second video, the last 3 examples were actually a P-series. We could use this new test to determine if it converges or diverges. So there are going to be quite a few series that we can kind of pick up between a few different tests. Some of them are going to be very specific. Other ones we can use various tests. But the P-series test says if P is greater than 1, then the series would converge. If it's between 0 and 1, and including 1, then it diverges. All right. And a harmonic series is just a P-series with P equals 1. So 1 over n is a harmonic series. Okay. So example 3 from the second video. So let's quickly take a look at 2 examples of the P-series, and we'll be done. So this first one, we are determining what we're starting with. So we have, it's a little bit different. We're not given a series in summation notation, so we're going to go ahead and start and write our own. So we know that this is 1 on top consistently, and we have this, I guess, n root n. Oops, not 2. Root n. All right. So each time we're plugging in n, we get these values. Okay. So if we rewrite this, and we're starting with 1. Sorry. If we rewrite this, we could see that that fraction would be actually 1 over n to the 3 halves. Okay, because that's going to be a half power and a 1 power. We put those together, we get 3 halves power. So P is equal to 3 halves, which is greater than 1. So 3 halves is greater than 1. And I guess we could say that it's greater than 1 here. I'm just going to write it like that. So we can say that the series converges by P-series test. It's that simple. So real quick, let's look at the next one. So we have this situation going on. Let's convert this real quick. This radical, I want to turn into n to the negative 11 over 3, which would turn into n to the negative 2/3, which we could rewrite as 1 over n to the 2/3. And the P value, 2/3, is less than 1. So this is a divergent series. Okay, so it diverges by P-series test. So go ahead and try some of these problems, and let me know if you have any questions. Some of them are going to be a little tricky, but a lot of them are going to be pretty straightforward. So just let me know if you have anything for me.